pH meters play an essential part of food safety and quality control within the food industry, ensuring you stay compliant with customer and BRCGS standards. In this short tutorial video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to use a pH meter. The example unit we are using is from Klipspringer's pocket tester range. Firstly, your meter will need calibrating with each use. Start by taking your pH meter and the correct buffer solutions, usually pH 7 and pH 4. Remove the cap containing the storage solution from the probe before switching on the device. Press the on-off button to turn on the meter. Switch the meter to calibration mode. You can navigate this on the front of the device. Place the probe directly into the pH 7 buffer solution. No stirring is needed. Hold the probe steady in the solution until a small smiley face appears on the screen. This indicates the reading has stabilized. Once the smiley face appears, press the calibrate button to record the calibration. Be patient, it may take a few seconds for the reading to stabilize. Remove the probe from the buffer solution and rinse with distilled water. Gently dry using white roll. Place the probe into the second buffer solution. Again, wait for the smiley face to appear, then press calibrate on the device. After completing all necessary calibration points, change the device to measurement mode. Rinse and dry the probe before starting your measurements. Your Klipspringer pH meter is now accurately calibrated and ready to use. Next, immerse the electrode into your sample, only allowing the tip to touch the sample so as to not damage the components. The measurement is complete when the reading stabilizes on the screen. Once you've taken your reading, remove the probe from the sample and rinse it again with distilled water. Finally, gently dry the probe using white roll and return to your case for safe storage. Ensure the probe is stored in its designated solution cap. If you need further support with your quality control checks, reach out to our friendly team today.